It could have been any other career. Do you remember why specifically real estate?
Always heard most wealthy people own real estate, so are in it some way or another. So I figured I'd go down that avenue.
Welcome to Houses Flipping People. Let us help you to become financially free in real estate investing. Make sure you subscribe. Where are you from originally?
I'm originally from Laredo, Texas.
How was it growing up in Laredo?
I liked it. I liked the community there. I liked the fact that they were really big on family. We'd go to parties and there would be babies to grandmothers there. So I really liked that.
Well, how long did you live in Laredo?
Until I was 14 years old. Then my parents moved up to a small town called Bulverde, which is north of San Antonio in the hill country. And that's where I went to high school. And I've been in Central Texas pretty much ever since.
What were you doing before you became a real estate investor?
Right out of college, I owned a restaurant delivery business, me and my roommate, and we sold that. I became a retail pharmacy manager, and then I worked at a tech company for 8 years as a data analyst and project manager. And then later on, I became actually a recovery coach, had a change in careers again. And I help men in early recovery, and I coach them and their families.
And what motivated you into real estate?
When I got laid off, I decided I didn't want to go back into that field. I didn't want to ever work for corporate America again. I thought I was going to be a full-time missionary. And I was talking to somebody beforehand about rehabbing houses, but I really didn't see me doing that, right? Again, I wanted to go into ministry. And he gave me a formula, 70% of the ARV minus repairs. And he told me to go study this Ron LeGrand CD, right? So after I got laid off, everything pointed toward that direction. I didn't have a lot of money at the time. So I used bandit signs, put stickers on people's doors, door knock, drove for dollars. I hand wrote letters. I worked Craigslist. I posted in Craigslist 3 different accounts and renewed them every day. Got deals off that, and I searched Craigslist as well. And I networked a lot, went to a lot of meetings. What
was one of the challenges that you feel like you were struggling a little bit in the beginning?
As far as partnering with anyone is, when deals take a little longer than what they should, and we have hard money on it, and there was a little friction there in the beginning. Why is this project running behind? But that's kind of minuscule. As far as Buddy and my partnership, he does a good job running the project. So I find the deals and Buddy runs them.
What was your aha moment when you came to the inner circle?
I think number one, the vast amount of money in there, right, of the individuals that were in the group. And that's where we get our funding from. Yeah, probably 80% of our funds are private money from individuals within the inner circle. And which is awesome. We get to meet them, we get to know them, and they get to know us, and they build, mutual trust with one another. And the relationships are really awesome in that group too.
Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check.
Revolutionary house flipping app calculates home value, liens, equity, and repairs needed based on a picture and internet records. Built-in skip tracer provides full report on owner. Proprietary scoreboard calculates up to 12 flipping offers and strategies. Now a rookie can flip like a pro.
Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check. Bank a check.
Do you remember how was your first deal?
Yes, I sure do. I posted a bandit sign that said, I buy houses. And I remember it was off of Congress and Stastny area in Austin. I met the lady, she called me, and I met her at McDonald's, and we signed a contract on a 6,700 foot lot I got it under contract in 2013 for $110,000.
What was the challenge with that particular? Did you have any challenge?
Yes, there were some inheritance issues that we had to overcome. We did use a probate attorney to do some legal work and define heirs. And also Buddy, I think, got like a $50,000 lien removed off her portion, and just to help the lady out that sold it.
And do you remember how much money you made?
I think we made about 160, something like that.
That's not bad for your first deal. What point did you realize in your life, like, you are in the right career, this is it?
Oh, when I started making more money.
Let's talk a little bit about your current deal that you have right now in Georgetown.
It's a 15.6 acre lot, and we bought it a little below market. My first strategy was to subdivide it into 3 5-acre lots and sell them for, I believe it was $275 or $250 a piece. So we bought it for $584,000. And we decided that we're going to put it on the market for 1.2 at this point. And if we're able to get that or a little less, we'll take it. And if not, we'll keep going forward with an RV park. Well, we got an offer for 1.1. So we decided to take it.
John, how much has real estate transformed your life?
Quite a bit, financially, and, I take 3 times more of the vacations now. I hunt and I fish a lot and then travel with my wife to, the West Coast and all over. So
where's your favorite spot for vacation these days?
As far as with my wife, the Oregon coastline.
Okay.
Yes. Also, we really enjoy Utah as well. We're really into hiking and outdoor stuff.
How does it feel not to worry about financially?
I try not to. It's more the future, right? It's always the future. But not really. I just give it up to God.
Who would you like to thank to be here today and for you to be proud for who you are?
Number one, God, my business partner, Buddy Henderson. And by the way, we teamed up with Sean and Lisa Lacey this year, Phil and Chenoa as well, and all the people who encouraged me.
For the people who are watching us right now, what advice would you give for anyone that wants to start out with a real estate investing?
Number one, if you decide to do it, do it. Don't give up. Give it at least a year. Just be like a bulldog and bite down on it and don't let go, right? Just decide I'm going to do it and be hungry. Work your butt off. Just get it done the first year, learn, but you don't have to learn everything before you start doing. Get the basics down and go out and do and continue learning. But go out and market, go out whatever that marketing looks like, putting out banner signs, door knocking, whatever, right? Texting, your own internet website, but do it and be consistent. Consistently market, consistently chase after them, and don't get discouraged.
Is there anything else that you would like to say?
Be conservative on all your estimates, on your projected after repair value, ARV, or the sales price. Be a good human being, right? Don't ever be shady. Be ethical. If you're doing this a lot, you're going to run across distressed people. Treat the property owner with dignity and respect. Well,
it was a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
And yes, and we're looking forward to see you growing and double this income and see your growth as a real estate investor and continue to be this amazing person that you have been since I met you. Would you like to press a button on your phone and make money? Would you like to flip a house by simply taking a picture? I know what you're thinking. Sounds ridiculous, right? You can't flip a house without money, right? It takes money to make money, right? You need to be an expert to invest in real estate, right? Well, not long ago, you had to learn a language to speak Spanish. Now your phone can translate instantly for you. In fact, your phone can get you an Uber, play any song ever recorded, and allow you to search for any information ever created at the touch of a button. And you don't have to be an expert to do all of that either. You just need a phone. Well, now you can use your phone to flip a house and bank a check. You can do this by using a revolutionary product called the Snap Flip Bank. Snap a picture, flip a house, bank a check. Now, even a rookie can invest like a pro. In fact, several thousand investors have done exactly that. I even host a TV show called Houses Flipping People, where I interview ordinary people whose lives have been transformed from becoming real estate investors with the help of the Snap Flip Bank. Would you like to join them? If you have even the smallest interest in real estate, come get this app and some free training. Go to the link below. You can't get this revolutionary technology anywhere other than our website. I'll see you at the bank, Snap Flip Bank. Click on the link below. Let's change your life. I will see you on the other side. Now we are going.
Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check. Snap, flip, bank a check.
Revolutionary house flipping app calculates home value, liens, equity, and repairs needed based on a picture and internet records. Built-in skip tracer provides full report on owner. Proprietary scoreboard calculates up to 12 flipping offers and strategies. Now a rookie can flip like a pro.
Snap, flip,